apat na araw ko na ngayon ng event, and ngayon naman is gagawin namin is photoshoot for Kat Von D portrait na foundation. And then malapit sa office namin, buti na malapit sa office namin, and then ang call time namin is 8:30. Kunin ko muna lahat ng gamit na gagamitin sa office, and then pupunta dun sa photoshoot. Ayan, for Kat Von D naman tong event na to, para sa bagong foundation. And then siguro mga almost 10 yung may makeupan, pero ako lang yung magsi-shade match tapos magko-complexion. Ang maggagawa talaga ng makeup is si Stephanie, yung global makeup artist ng Kat Von D. So panoorin po ninyo.
I gave you my heart.
Hi! Setting it up. The counter. I got a new brushes from Kat Von D. Every time may shoot, bawal na yung may mga bali-bali ko yung mga bristles. Ganyan. Hey, this will be the location of the shoot. Yes. I'm super hungry. Water, I want to take water, but it's still hot from the car. So, no. And you? Just coffee? Yeah, we had coffee in the office.
Yeah, I ate a little bit at home.
I'm really hungry.
She's hungry.
So, the girls was told to tone down the makeup. Yeah, so all natural today. So, Sandrine and Lida, is it your first time doing the shoot?
Yes.
Even in your previous brand?
I do in the Makeup Forever.
In the Makeup Forever. Lida was a makeup artist in Makeup Forever before, and Urban Decay. Yes. And Sandrine was a flight attendant.
And then, yeah.
So she discovered her passion was on makeup.
That's true story.
So yeah, so we have how many shades now for
40 shades.
40 new shades for the new True Portrait Foundation from Kat Von D. You just need to shake it. It's water day. By the way, I have Yuli. Yes, from Dyson era. I worked with her a lot of times. Yeah. Whenever we have make photo shoots for our brands. So Dyson is our hair partner.
Yes, yes.
So we're doing it. Yes.
Which camera do you have?
I'm using
Ooh.
Canon G7X.
You don't share anytime. You have some secret application.
Yes, I'm not sharing it.
You're not gonna share your secret?
Nice of the shoot. So she is Stephanie, and then her tattoo was done by Kat Von D herself, and then we have some influencers coming. Hi! We're having shoots over there, but hindi pa pwedeng ipakita. So this location.
I'm waiting when this gentleman will put makeup on me.
Soon. Yes.
I will be one of your model on your video.
Oh my God. Kabayan.
No.
Russian.
Russian. Kazakhstan. My mom from Kazakhstan.
Malida. She can speak Chinese, Russian, Arabic, English, 6 Tagalog, 6 languages. Turkish, yes.
Chinese, Arabic.
Wow, right. Let's do.
Maybe just curl, because I have like straight, like all of it's not layers, it's straight. I had them like super blunt, but then I haven't cut it for a long time.
Hello guys. Lunch break na, but naiwan ako dito. And then kasi ongoing, the shoot is ongoing. But, ayan. Kami pa lang. Ayun, hindi ko pa siya pwedeng ipakita. Kaya, ayun. Tapos yung ibang mga kasama natin, yung mga kasama ko, nasa cafe na sila para kumain. Ako mamaya. Don't worry, this is your station, so I will be the one who will adjust. It's a wrap! It's already, what time? 5:45. Tapos na kami. Ayan na. But it's nice, right? Yes.
This is fine time.
So it's a wrap, guys. Later, let's see. Hello, guys. Uwian na. 5:55 PM na. Tapos na yung shoot namin. And okay naman, pagod. Maikli lang tong video natin kasi na-busy rin ako and hindi pwede masyadong kumuha ng ibang clips kasi nga hindi pa siya ilalabas. I-approve pa siya ng US bago mailabas dito sa Middle East. Kaya ayun, but super saya, panibagong experience kasi nakilala ko tapos nakita kong paano mag-apply ng makeup live yung isa sa mga makeup artist ni Kat Von D. Kaya ayun, pauwi na ako and tomorrow naman may event ako for 2 days sa ibang mall for Fenty Beauty. Yun naman. So this is my 7th day na wala pang off. Then after 2 days saka pala ako makakapag-off. Ay, pagod. Ramdam na ramdam mo na yung pagod. But okay naman, masaya kasi kahit pagod ka, gusto mo kasing ginagawa mo. Tapos ang daming natututunan, ang daming nakikilala mga ibang tao. Nag-grow ka kasi through experience, hindi lang sa pagiging isang OFW, but nakakakilala ka kasi ng mga ibang personality, tapos na-adapt mo yung mga positive energy nila kung paano sila magtrabaho. So ayun, sana ano ba, gusto nyo yung maliit nating clip. Ganun yung ginagawa ko talaga. Usually nagbabounce back ako nagbabounce ako from one brand to another brand. Kung sino yung dumadating na international makeup artist from the brand sa main hub namin sa Amerika. Sino yung pinapadala rito, ako yung nakakasama nila dito sa Middle East. Kami yung gumagawa ng shoot. Ayun lang. Tapos sharing na ideas, ano yung mga gagawin. So ako lahat yun. Kaya masaya yung trabaho medyo demanding lang at pressure kasi kailangan mong maging magaling, kailangan mong pakita na you deserve dun sa spot na binigay nila. Kaya ayun, dito na lang, no, traffic na. Ito yung, sana nakikita nyo, no, yung Dubai paghapon na. So ayan, sunset na. So ayan yung Sheikh Zayed Road. Ayan. So ayun, basically ito yung isa sa mga linggo na busiest week ko sa buong taon. Ito, tapos yung fall winter, tapos yung summer collection na mga lumalabas. Kasi twice nangyayari yung makeup convention. Plus, pag nawarating yung mga makeup artists, yung mga international makeup artists from the brand, sila yung mga gumagawa ng mga billboard globally na pinapakita sa mga commercial, sa mga magazine, sa mga yung mga model na Hollywood na mga artista, sila yung mga gumagawa. So ayun lang. So dito naman nila ginagawa, tinuturo nila sa akin, tapos i-apply ko rin sa mga shoots dito for Middle East campaign naman. So ayun, sobrang pagod. And then yun, meron pala ako foundation ng Kat Von D na True Portrait. Gawa tayo ng review soon. Kung nakita nyo yan sa stories ko and sa Instagram, gagawa tayo ng review yan soon. So ayun lang mga ka-dreamers, maraming salamat and God bless.